皆さんこんにちは。お元気ですか？朝ごはんの後でこのビデオを作った。今日の授業は後です。Hi everyone, we are going to talk about 後 and the mysterious ways of saying what you do after something else. 始めましょう。Okay, this is 後漢字。Kunyamis are ushiro, ato, nochi, which here will only talk about ushiro and ato. And onyomis are go and go, which we don't need them here for now. At the end, the meanings are behind, later, and after. Now let's see how to make a sentence with it. So you basically talk about an event in top format and then use atoni or atode and then talk about what happened after it. And as you can see in the picture, if you want to use a noun before ato, you need to add a no character after the noun and then use ato. I just made a slide for you to remember top format. Just see it for 10 seconds to remember. Don't need to thank me.
Pikachu?
Was it Pikachu? So you can use ato both at the very beginning of the sentence or between two sentences. Just remember that if you want event 2 to happen, you just need first event 1 happen. Okay, now what's the difference between ato, atoni, and atode? In ato and atode, the order is important and focuses on the order and what you are going to do in the second event, and generally refers to the time after an event. But in atoni, it specifically points to the event's ending and second event's beginning. So in atoni here, the time is important, but in ato and ato, the order and the action is important. Now let's see the 8 examples I prepared for you. They are from lots of websites and I tried to choose the best ones so that you understand it well. Example 1. Let's read it. アメリカで1年間教養した後で私は再びインドへ向かった。The first event happened in top format, then atode, and then the second event happened. And use past form then atode, which means the time after an event and the order of it is important here. And after the comma, it says what happened after the first event. Next example. 食べた後に歯を磨きます。The first event in top format, then atoni, which means the point of time is important here. And as you can see, the second event is in present format, which the reason is it's a fact. It's something that happens every day in his or her life, so that person used present tense. The third sentence. 晩ご飯の後にアイスを食べた。Here, a noun comes and then a no. Just memorize it. And then atoni. Again, atoni is for focusing on the time the second event starts to happen. And aisu is the short form of ice cream. Now let's see the fourth sentence. Okay, it's a bit long. なお、2、3、質疑応答があった後でtakenochi は部屋を出たいた。Here comes ga because the stuff before it are important. Atode comes because the general event after finishing the first event is important and not the specific point of time. 私は高校を卒業した後、東京の大学に行くことに決めていた。The first event, which is a sentence in top format, but it doesn't mean it actually happened, nor the second event, but the verb at the end of the sentence, which is kimeteita, is what actually have been done. Kimeteita means to decide, and since you need to use ta format before ato, it have been used for the first event, but it doesn't make it a true past tense with a past meaning. Here, using ta format and then ato shows that it's just a way to use, and you shouldn't think the first event actually happened. It's just going to happen in future. Was it interesting? Now let's go to the next sentence. 会議の後、我々の2社はお互いに意見が一致した。It's a noun plus no plus auto sentence. Auto comes because not the point of time, but the general event after finishing the first event is important, and in general the action of it. And otagai means mutually, iken means view, and ichishita means to agree. Okay, in kuruma no ato o tsuite kite kudasai. The difference is the kanji did not use as ato but ushiro, which is kinda the way of saying the direction. Kono indicates to kuruma, and because it's a name, it gets no, and then ushiro comes. But after ushiro comes o. Just memorize it. So word by word would be something like, please follow this car from behind. And the last sentence. 問題はその金塊が何千する前に盗まれたのか、それとも何千した後で盗まれたのかということです。So if you remember something like, do you like this or それとも that, then you would understand this. It first made me confused, that's why I like it. The sentence looks complicated, but it's not, and says whether the event happened before it or after it. それとも is something like or, and connects the question A to question B. At the end of the sentence, to always comes before you, just like to omo, as I talked in the last video. Just memorize it. Koto is matter or happening. To koto desu is something like said it happened. The ato comes with de, referring to that the general event after this is important, and the order of it, of course. The mae ni comes because it wants to say the event 1 happened before event 2. So kinkai ga nansen suru is the event 1, then comes mae ni, and then nusumareta no ka, which is event 2. And the no ka just makes it more like a question. Now let's read it again. 問題はその金塊が何千する前に盗まれたのか、それとも何千した後で盗まれたのかということです。Can you understand what it's saying now? Good. I'll be waiting for your precious comments and sentences in the comment section. And the kanjis are always in the description, so you can check them now there. Hope you like this video and learned something from it. Love you guys and stay safe and healthy. お願いします。また来週。
見つかる